This short tutorial shows how to jump back or unwind to a specific view controller. We create a new, single view project. We set the minimal target version. In the storyboard and in the emulator list, we set the smallest available device. We add a button to the first view controller and center it. We rename the view controller. We also add an action to the destination controller. This action may or may not have code in it. Then we copy and paste this view controller. In the copy, we remove the class. Then we copy the screen again and copy it for as many times we want. We connect the buttons to the next screen. On the last screen, we connect the button to the exit control. A pop-up suggests a list of unwind functions, one of which we choose. Now, run the project. We navigate until reaching the last screen. Now the magic happens, we jump back to the first view controller. And here we go, over and over again. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.